Now we also have with us Professor Padma Kumar MM. Professor Padma Kumar MM is the head of Department of Media Studies, Christ, deemed to be University. He is currently pursuing his PhD from Christ, deemed to be University. He has many articles published in Deccan Herald and the Hindu newspaper. I request you, sir, to offer your remarks and declare this session as closed. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the invite and for the warm introduction. It's a great pleasure for me to look at how these both institutions, that is Christ University and Navrachna University, have come together to hold such a rich research orientation for the undergraduate and postgraduate students. Now, this is the need of the hour. Research, as we know, is something that is extremely important for the development of any nation, and for that matter, development of any society. Now, given this context, India's position in the research domain is unfortunately not significant, whereas the potential is very high. Considering this, we need to enable the undergraduate and postgraduate students to develop a love for research and mobilize them to go into research at the MPhil and the postgraduate, at the PhD level, and maybe a postdoctorate level as well. So that is the context in which we, Navrachna University, School of Communication and Department of Media Studies, Christ University, decided to, we hope to do this an annual event and ensure that students of media studies coming across from different parts of the country benefit through this workshop arranged. So let me also take quite a few people who have been instrumental in ensuring that this research workshop is realized. This has been excellently coordinated. First of all, I'll have to thank Dr. Roby and Professor Varsha for having taken the trouble of conceptualizing it and also putting it together in this particular format. A virtual applause to both Dr. Roby and Varsha for having taken the initiative and ensuring that it has been attended to with minute details from the start till this particular stage that we are in. So thank you so much, Dr. Roby and Professor Varsha, for having done this in this particular way. I would be missing out if I fail to acknowledge the contributions made by Professor Alex Joseph from the Department of Media Studies, Christ University. He has been the go-to person from our department for having put it together this way, and he has coordinated excellently well with all my colleagues, and also has mobilized the students from our university to take part in this particular workshop. So Alexa, wherever you are, warm greetings and sense of gratitude for all your contributions. Let me also thank all the resource people who have come in from day one. I remember Professor Dr. Naresh, then Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Kailash, then Dr. Vandana from NUV, Dr. Mandira, and I'm sure there were a few others of whose name I'm unable to recall at the moment, but please do remember them and take it as my sincere gratitude, a submission of my gratitude to your contribution. And thank you so much to all the participants. If we are hoping for a research-rich India in the future, it is because of people like you participating in such workshops and working on some very pertinent things. Both the institutions are very clear that we are here for academic excellence and academic service, and so we will continue to take this forward. Let me also thank the management of both the institutions, that is Navrachna University and Christ University. We need to definitely put it on record the pioneering mechanisms set by Dr. Nilay Yagnik, and similarly at Christ University, Father Abraham, our Vice Chancellor, and many, many others who have been instrumental in being the backbone of our departments and prompting us to take up many such initiatives. So thank you to both the institutions and the faculty in charge. Thank you all for your patient hearing as well. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, here we have come to the end of day 5 of the workshop. Padma Kumar sir has already thanked everyone. I'll still do it again. So I thank all the valuable speakers for the enriching sessions. Professor Alex Joseph, Dr. Robbie and Varsha ma'am for planning and coordinating this entire workshop. I thank all the participants for their valuable time and participation. Lastly, I would like to thank all the coordinators of this workshop. Thank you so much. And we as students look forward for many such workshops ahead. Thank you so much.